In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create segments in GetResponse. Segments are dynamic groups of contacts that match specific criteria you define, which helps you send more relevant emails and analyze your audience with precision. Once set up, these segments update automatically, saving you time and keeping your targeting accurate. Start from your GetResponse dashboard and head to the Contacts area. Open the search view. This is where you'll filter your list and build the rules that define your segment. Next, click Advanced Search. This unlocks detailed filtering options so you can zero in on the exact contacts you want. Now it's time to add your conditions. You can include one condition or stack several together to fine-tune your audience. Common choices include tags, custom fields, subscription dates, and, if your account has it, e-commerce data. For example, you might set a tag condition like tag is, followed by the tag you use for a particular interest or campaign. If you want to target newer subscribers, choose a subscription date condition such as on or after and select the date that makes sense for your strategy. With e-commerce, you could narrow down to people who purchased a specific product or reached a certain order value if those options are available in your plan. As you add conditions, keep an eye on how they work together. Using multiple conditions lets you create a very focused audience. The results preview will reflect who matches right now, which helps you confirm your logic before saving. If needed, adjust values or swap a condition until the contacts shown align with your goals. When you're satisfied with your setup, click Save as Segment. You'll be prompted to name your segment. Choose a clear, descriptive name that reflects the criteria you used, so it's easy to recognize later. For example, include the tag, time frame, or purchase behavior in the name to make it instantly understandable for you and your team. Then click Save. Your new segment will now appear in the segments list. From this point on, it updates automatically. That means as new contacts meet the criteria you defined, they're added, and if someone no longer qualifies, they're removed. This dynamic behavior keeps your targeting current without manual effort. That's all you need to create segments in GetResponse. Use them to tailor your campaigns, improve deliverability, and get more meaningful insights from your audience. Thanks for watching, and feel free to apply these steps right away to organize your contacts with confidence.